Hello and welcome to Instrukart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a video for instruction manual and basic troubleshooting for this GSM based temperature and humidity monitor. As you can see, this is an IoT alert, which is Internet of Things, and I just want to demonstrate some basic instructions and how to troubleshoot in case you face any issues. So the first thing, as you can see, I'll just make you familiar with the instrument. You can see there's a 4 outlets. This is one for the antenna, this is for 12 volts socket, this is the adapter which will be provided along with. For customers in different regions, we can use the converter and put it into 230 volt supply. I'll just show you the converter also. And this is a sensor. You can see the sensor here. This is a SIM holder. You can see this converter. This is basically used in US, so we just have to put this. And use it in US areas. Similarly, we have different converters for UK and Middle East and all. Now the SIM. This is a standard SIM which you have to insert in the instrument. How to insert? The cut should be at the bottom. You have to put it in this slot, and you see there will be a small click sound which will be coming when you press it. That's it. It means it has inserted correctly. Now you can put this adapter and then you can put the plug. There you go. We are waiting for the network to come, which will be displaying at the top right corner. You see the network has come now. It's a little less. I can't see one bar over here. It means, yeah, now we can see all the bars here. So we can see the date, the time, network, temperature, humidity. Temperature set point is currently set to 18, which is minimum, and 35, which is maximum. Humidity set to 30, which is minimum, and 70, which is maximum. Now how to set all this? We have to use the top and the right key together, and you see config pass. Just use the top key to reach 4 and press on set. The first one which comes is temperature set. Set on that, and you see high temperature, high set point. It means the high temperature set point. How to use that? Use the right key and then top key for changing the values. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can use minus also if the instrument is enabled for minus temperature. Otherwise it should be 0. Then you can press the set. This is a low set. You can change it again similar way. We can go to the humidity the same way, high and low. The next one is buzzer option. This buzzer option is enable disable, means if the temperature or humidity goes beyond set point, then whether you want the buzzer to be enabled or disabled. So now it is enabled. Enable is, I can just show you by a small simulation exercise. Now it is 35 humidity. I'll just exceed it to 70. I've just put my hand on the sensor and you see it has exceeded and the alarm started, the buzzer. Again it went low, so it has stopped. I'll try to simulate it again. So this is a basic troubleshoot also, and the exercise to check if the sensor is working properly. You see this started blinking. I've still kept it and it is increasing. Now if I have to stop it, I have to long press this and it will stop. Okay, I'll go to the configuration again. So the buzzer option also we have seen. The next is set timing. We can set the time the similar way we have set the high and low temperature. Then press on set and we get the date over here. Press on set, get the day, and then again we are back to the same menu. Now we go to the GSM menu. The GSM menu, we have set report numbers. The report numbers are something that the mobiles, wherever you want to get the periodic message or request message or the alert message. So we can set up to 5 numbers here. So I click on, press on this set. So this is report number 1, which is mine. I've just set it. I can set another number also. So while setting, you don't have to use 0, you just have to start with your number irrespective of your country code. So let's say if you are using in US, you might not have to press +1 or enter +1, you just have to start with your number. So if your number starts with 5 and then 5 and then 9, so likewise you will set your number. All right, and likewise you can set up to 5 numbers. If you have to delete any number, you can use the delete number function. SMS General Interval. SMS General Interval says how much time you require the SMS, periodic SMS. Let's say I want to know my current temperature and humidity every 5 minutes or every 1 hour or 2 hours, like that. So what is the frequency you want to set? So this is, let's say if I want to set for 5 minutes, so it will be 00, 05, 00. Again, if I want to set for 1 hour, then it should be 00, 60 and 00. Again, if I want to set as 90 minutes, that is 1 hour 30 minutes, then we should use 01, 30 and 00. We go to SMS Error Interval. So this is basically in scenarios where the temperature or the humidity is constantly violating the set point. Let's say you have left this unattended and what happened is the temperature went beyond the set point, which is 35 as of now, and it is continuously over 35. So you may continuously get SMS for this violation, which you might not like it. So you can have this error reporting interval also set as 5 minutes. So now it is set to 5 minutes. If you want that frequently you should get the SMS, then you can set as 1 minute or 2 minutes. Currently it is set as 5 minutes. Now we go to Gprs interval. Gprs interval is basically what interval you want to push the data to cloud or HTTP location. So currently it's set to 10 minutes. Then we have server report enable disable. It means whether you want the GPRS or the HTTP cloud enable or disable. It means that whether you want to push this data to internet or not. So currently it is enable. If you want, you can make it to disable by pressing the right arrow. I'll set it to enable. The next is SMS alert enable disable. So this says whether you want the SMS or not. If you want the SMS to be coming, it is enable. And if you don't want, you can similarly disable it. The next feature is view IMEI number. So IMEI number is a unique number for the instrument which will be written here. For any complaints or any issues, you may refer to this IMEI number and reach us. Okay, this is about the basic troubleshooting. I'll just try to see if my SMS are working properly. So I've just kept my mobile here and I would just see if my SMS is coming in case of alert. So I'm just increasing this more than 70. There you go, the alarm rings. And we get an SMS. See the alert. We got it just now, stating it is 71.8, the humidity high. So we have increased the humidity. It is coming to 71.8. The set point was 30 to 70. Similarly, you get the periodic report also, as I just told you how to set the periodic interval. So this is how the periodic report looks like. Temperature at 27.8 degrees, humidity at this, the date and the time. Now if you are at a remote location and you want to know the current temperature and humidity, so you can type ACE I as in India and as in New Zealand, 00, and then send it. So this is my registered number and I'm just trying to know what is the current temperature and humidity. So you can see the current temperature and humidity here, and I get the current temperature and humidity here in the SMS. So this shows as request 33.0 and 32.6 at this time. Alright, for the basic troubleshooting, generally sometimes if you feel that the network is not correct in your area or network is not coming, then probably you might have to plug out this instrument and then take out the SIM again, put it again and then put it on and wait for 5 minutes to see if the network is coming. Alright, and for this the best practices for using this is that you should be using this sensor wherever you want to sense the temperature, because in your server room there could be variation in temperature, or your cold room there will be variations of temperature. So you can't expect that this particular sensor will tell the mean value of the temperature in the room. So wherever this particular sensor is placed, it will sense the temperature around this area. All right, so this is how you should be keeping, and make sure it is not having any obstruction like this, or you should not put any kind of sticker or anything while placing this instrument. This is also a wall mounting. You can use this for wall mounting also, and this can be put in the on the table also. For the antenna, you should always ensure that this doesn't have any obstruction, because this is what which speaks to the tower, the SIM card carrier, whether it is Airtel or Vodafone in India or any other network in other country, right? And if you feel that the power is not coming, probably you can see if the adapter light is on or not. If the light is on, you might have to check if you have kept this wire properly. Okay, so in case the SMS is not coming, you have to check if the network is proper or not. All right, so this is the basic troubleshooting and instruction manual which might help you in installing the system for the first time. Good luck, and thanks for watching.